Hello audio peeps, I'm Kuba and today again we are delving into the world of dialogue denoising plugins. Get ready because we're about to explore some exciting tech. Over the past few years we've witnessed some remarkable advancements and today we're taking a closer look at dxRevive Pro by Accentize. This might look like something you've seen already, very simple controls, visual representation of noise and dialogue. Let's see if dxRevive Pro is worth its money.
Blah, 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 blah.
So here's the deal, folks. dxRevive Pro is a versatile tool. Noise removal? Absolutely. It's got you covered. Reverb suppression? You bet. Restoration of absent frequencies? Indeed. Codec artifacts? It'll clean those up too. Clipped audio? Fixed with ease. And the secret sauce? It's powered by a machine learning engine. Now, what sets dxRevive Pro apart? This intelligent system works locally, so you don't need to send your audio to the cloud or invest in special hardware. It's all done right on your system, hassle-free. And what's more, quoting Accentize from their website, unlike many other restoration plugins, dxRevive doesn't merely filter the signal, it goes beyond identifying and reintegrating missing frequency components, yielding studio-like recordings from diverse source materials. And it's not just English. dxRevive Pro has been trained on a multitude of languages and accents worldwide. It adapts to various linguistic nuances, making it a versatile tool for speakers from all corners of the globe. And now the moment you've been waiting for, let's put dxRevive Pro to the test. I have some audio clips here that need improvement. We'll run them through dxRevive Pro and witness the results. There will be dialogue recorded on my iPhone, a sample of a voice call recording, me talking to my Zoom H5 stereo capsule, which is totally bad idea for recording dialogue, but later we'll see how dxRevive can manage noise inside a car. I also asked Adam, which you may know from earlier video, to record me with MKH416 above the highway and in the echoey staircase. Let's jump into the Pro Tools. dxRevive is a versatile speech restoration plugin dedicated to enriching the quality of various dialogue recordings. dxRevive is a versatile speech restoration plugin dedicated to enriching the quality of various dialogue recordings. dxRevive is a versatile speech restoration plugin dedicated to enriching the quality of various dialogue recordings. dxRevive is a versatile speech restoration plugin dedicated to enriching the quality of various dialogue recordings. dxRevive is a versatile speech restoration plugin dedicated to enriching the quality of various dialogue recordings.
If you would like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you would like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you would like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you would like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you would like to make a call, please hang up and try again. If you would like to make a call, please hang up and try again.
I am standing in my kitchen with the stereo capsule pointing at me and at the ventilation, and the balcony window is open. And now let's see how dxRevive Pro will manage this recording. I am standing in my kitchen with the stereo capsule pointing at me and at the ventilation, and the balcony window is open. And now let's see how dxRevive Pro will manage this recording. So we are on the road today. We're going to test the newest plugin from Accentize, which is called dxRevive, which I guess is a shortcut for a newest plugin for dialogue revival. We are going with windows open, and this is the first test for our plugin. We are recording with shotgun Rode mic, and we are going to see how this new tool is going to manage this car noise and wind noise. Say something.
I'm gonna say something for you for the test.
So
This is one of the tests we are actually doing. We are just above the highway, trying to figure out if this plugin can get rid of all of these cars passing by. Let's see.
Second test we are doing, we are on a quite echoey staircase. Reverb staircase, probably with some random noises in the background like dogs or kitchen stuff. And let's see. And there you have it, folks. dxRevive Pro, a powerful tool for dialogue denoising and restoration. You know what? Let's turn on the AC to make it even worse. I hope you can hear it. I can hear it. So let's turn dxRevive Pro now. Of course, there are plugins similar to this one, but every one of them works differently. With 2 models and 4 bands, you can really achieve nice and satisfying results, especially when you need to enhance dialogue from poor source like phone or old recording or whatever. It works nice with removing reverb from the recording, separates voice from background noise with ease. Of course, our highway test was too much, but there's no tool that can separate it totally, leaving only clean dialogue. But this shows that its algorithms works and will help you with a little bit less shitty stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more audio insights, and ring that notification bell so you never miss beats. I'm Kuba, signing off. Stay tuned for more videos. Hello, dog. Can we make a woof woof?